fuck on I feel like?
Drink some water, mama. Drink some water.
Fuck on I feel like, girl. You think so you can style me dirty, done old, we got Dubai got yam blood clot shit. Girl, from the day me born, me never yam shit yet. Girl, me never yam shit yet. Go give the man in blood clot money, Chevy. You thief the man blood clot money. You trick the man and the rose never blood clot lie. Go suck your mother. Hey girl, you can't argue with me. I will empty the blood clot clip on your pussy. You live off a welfare of blood clot foreign. Girl, me not live a welfare of blood clot America. If me want to go marry Jakes tomorrow, man, and take him a blood clot America, I can. Me not have time for that. One marriage me ever married, girl. You say me a 75, and if me a 75 and look so to blood clot Chevy. Just imagine I mean I have a no waist trainer. All of them when me do surgery. Chevy, when me put on my waist trainer, me flat like a blood clot Willie Penny. When me put on my waist trainer, girl, me flat out. Me not the skin removal yet, Chevy. It's in the making. You say me a 75 and me forgot read Bible studies and me forgot this and that. You say me forgot play bingo. Drunk crow. Dog shit. Chevy, you can't chat to me. Hey girl, go get the man in blood clot money. Then you can come back and talk to me. You see when you pay Jakes money, I'm making God take it get for spend on the blood clot also the youth them, because this also Jakes bill is not for him, so the youth them. And if the youth them, if you go back to blood clot was at some point Jakes, and if Jakes and Rose, if you go back tomorrow morning, we do not give off motherfuck. Me and Jakes talk about that. Jakes or your baby mother, if you want to go back to Rose Galang, me no business, but if it was my blood clot son, Rose, him couldn't look back at you. None of my children, you know what me teach my children with? Self-esteem. Me teach them, me say, look here, don't make no man treat you that way there. Me say to my boys, don't treat woman certain way. No girl, no blood clot, big pussy, whole big dirty pussy girl can't style my youth them. Rose, you couldn't style my son. So me tell Jakes, if you want to go back to Rose for your business. Jakes never discuss Rose with me yet. Jakes never tell me say Rose stinky yet. Jakes never tell me say Rose do and that. Never yet him all say my baby mother, June, whatever. But girl, Chevy, the man tired of you. The man tired of you, pussy. Pussy, the man tired of you. Give the man a blood clot break, y'all. You manipulate the man and have him money over in blood clotted and we can't get him money. Girl, thiefing girl, Chevy, she thief $9,000 for the blood clot, man. She connect the blood clot PayPal to the blood clot TikTok. Every cent I go to the pussy. Free up the man so people can start shoot for the man. The house of a done dark shit. Hey, girl, where your blood clot come start me up for this morning, girl? Where you start me up for, Chevy? Where you start me up for? You want to go on blood clot vacation, girl, go earn your own blood clot money. The money where the man make on TikTok is for the house. It's not for you for vacation. Dog shit, girl. Shit up hole, Chevy. Shape bad blood clot, Chevy. Lean up face. It look like you got the Botox on your face and that's how your face look. Girl, me not do no Botox on my face. I mean natural faces and me have blood clot here, Chevy. Come here. Look here. Me have ear too. You see it? Me have blood clot here. You see me have here, girl? Me have here. Me can't catch up my ear in a one. And me look fresh, same blood clot way. Me can't wear a wig. I lazy, me draw on blood clot stocking cap. Me can't wear eyelash. We have wig. My daughter do blood clot wig. Influencing for Amazon. Me want me go in my daughter room and show you wig. Even though maybe she gonna work and me no want go in her room. Girl, my daughter do eyelash. And me no care about them blood clot there. Cause draw back my wig. Show you. Me can be nice. Me can put my scalp together any blood clot way. If me get a call right now for go on dinner later, Chevy, me can jump in on my blood clot closet although me give away half and 3/4 of my clothes because you know me lose weight. Me the day I was at 280 blood clot 4 pounds and me lose the weight and come down to this. So you know say 3X clothes can't fit good girl anymore. Chevy a medium and large me wear now. But if me get an invitation right now for go out, me can dress myself and blood clot go out this evening, yeah, Chevy. Chevy, me not get welfare, me repeat it to you one more time. What you have over me, Chevy? You think say you can come style me as a blood clot 75-year-old grandmother? Pussy. Rose, me now answer you today. Yeah. Another day is for blood clot, because you know me if I clap back at you, Rose. Use for your next day. And Rose, a lie. Jakes not tell me nothing. Stop cuss the youth. Jakes not tell me one blood clot thing, Rose. Stop cuss the youth and the youth tell me shit. The internet have it. You know how much CVO people inbox me, Rose. Rose, if me show you inbox from blood clot CVO, you would have faint. CVO don't like you, Rose. People be chatting you from CVO. People chatting about you, Rose. If me show your messages in my blood clot inbox from CVO, you drop dead, Rose. Leave Jakes alone. Jakes not tell me nothing. And me.
Wrap it up.
Wrap it up.
9:47. Wrap it up.
Wrap it. Sometimes I pressure 123 over 77. Chevy. Me not suffer from high blood pressure. My blood pressure no high. No care what, the struggles me go through, people know that my blood pressure never blood clot. You know the one time my blood pressure go up? When me I go up on the table for my gastric surgery. And when them walk me in the room, I see the water ball light and instrument, my pressure goes up. And when they say stretch out your two hand, they couldn't give me the anesthesia same time. Them say calm down your blood pressure. My blood pressure rise up to almost 200 over how much. And that is the only time I suffer from high blood pressure, because when I go in the room, I see everything. When I see better than it blindfold, I carry me in there. When I go to my gastric surgery. That's the only time my pressure go up. Girl, me not suffer from high blood pressure. Me not die a blood clot betic. Me healthy. Me not have hard kidney, nothing. The only problem I have is my blood clot knee. Me do surgery already upon it, and me I go back for another surgery date, Chevy. You say me a 75, but me I'm gonna show you me 75 and healthy. Chevy, me no appeal buckle. Girl, me no appeal buckle. 2 weeks ago, me go do my blood clot. 2 times a year, me do physical. Chevy, me insurance pay for 2 times a blood clot here. 2 times a year. Chevy, me just do my TB test. And all of that. Me soon come out 10 o'clock. Me come out. Me just go do every blood clot test, girl. Girl, me healthy like blood clot. Whoa. She come say me a 75 and want to do what? Girl, me tell you, me no fuck rough. Any blood clot boy, me a fuck. If you have them life insurance, he better come with all him own blood clot car, can not borrow my need. And my kids alone can borrow my car. And me tell you, me drive a blood clot brand new 2025 car. Me just change my car pussy, because the other one did get bad. And me have to change it. He have to come with life insurance, he have to come with a job, he have to come with his own blood clot car. He have to come with a lot of shit. For me, take a boy in here, so. We not take no blood clot boy and nurse them and mind them, Chevy. A boy, if you have him 9 to 5, me no want no house blood clot helper. When me gonna work and clean shit. I chose to resign my dialysis job. They never fired me. I gave it up. Chevy. And me can't go with any Chevy a 6 blood clot certification me have. Show for you them no man. Me go there, me do every blood clot. Me can draw a blood free batteries. Me can be a EKG technician. Me can be a PCT. Me have dialysis. Me have home health aid shit, otherwise known as shit cleaner. Chevy, me can't live. Chevy, me can't live. No play with me, girl. You see how long me a spare you and come pan you and come blood clot tell people say I lie you not own Jakes. But you pass your blood clot place no Jakes. You could have even begged with me, block me, come here go block the whole blood clot when me done. Me come pan you so come beg money for the man for pay a workman last week. $90,000 me sent to the man. Me never take $1. Me screenshot everything. Liar again. Me tell liar say the woman say since week when the GX lock up she want money for do whatever. My liar say me say liar me there work and me can't do it. Liar say give me your information. This is a blood clot woman with the whole of uno bumbo clot eat so much and chat bad about. As she go up on her platform and go raise $500 and every money she get she say yo screenshot and send me this screenshot. Me send liar every blood clot with correspondence money will come to me Zella me cash. She said when you reach $500, she said, okay, done. The money was sent off. Me give liar the receipt. Go show your blood clot people them. Thanks to liar and our people them. Only not play with me, girl. Yeah, come say me, what is blood clot moderator? What is a moderator? Take your blood clot moderator and go on with it too. Me and you not nothing no youth. Me and you not nothing, but me no want to talk to you anymore either. Cause you make this blood clot big shit up pussy old girl Chevy come style me. Me know say you get this make this girl cry for the tell you a long time you tell the girl so she can't style me now. But you look like say last night you tell her when she chat you so she can't come style who? Pussy are the worst mistake you and the girl they make Jakes. The worst mistake you make for blood clot girl they okay if you come style me. Me now take you out of this blood clot here. And you! You're the blood clot green light. If you think you can come blood clot, style me. Me now call it no more Zelle and PayPal for blood clot him and cash up. Nothing more me done. Enough things we have in place. Where should we done? Dirty girl Chevy ever collect some money and send go get the man. The money we collect a blood clot England. You send go get the man yet. Girl you have paper make over England say for the man and for building material. You send the money go get Jakes at right Chevy. Please. The man just changed him blood clot PayPal. If you collect him TikTok money. The man just blood clot change if you get your out tight thief. And we then stop till the man build another one. Thief. He's a thief, Chevy. He's a blood clot thief. You can chat to me, girl. Justice to Jake's blood clot money. Dark shit, girl. You come on the internet like you want to come over the face. You say how long me come in and tell people them say I lie, you not old Jakes. Well, you just get fucked. You should have never make me blood clot if you come on this internet. Pussy. Pussy! What you try to style me for? You should have never made me come on this blood clot and have to come bust it up on you, no girl. A long time me a blood clot save you. Me a save you a long blood clot time in a dirty Chevy. Stinking girl. All you no can do come call me all and go suck on a mother. Me no want no friend from uno. Uno none of uno where chat me no come back na me blood clot inbox to go suck on a mother. Pussy. Brawling. Me not thief Jake's blood clot money. Every money me blood clot. Ask mini 45. Me send everything to Mini. Everything me blood clot collect. Me send it to Mini. As a witness. Take Mini now on a blood clot back. So Mini no block uno. But me go block the wall of uno. Me no want chat to uno. Every money me collect for that demand there. The goodness of my heart. Cause me say the house of it done. But me done. Me cut it as of blood clot today. It done. It done. Nobody asks me nothing more about no house. Nobody asks me about nothing. Because this blood clot girl Chevy, you go too blood clot far. You go too far. Pussy, you go too far. Try to style me. You go too blood clot far. Me can turn on my life and beg help to get Jake's right blood clot. No Chevy, can you do it? You thief every blood clot money you collect at England pussy. I left you to blood clot liar when I'm done with this. You think me a blood clot come around, girl? 9 to blood clot 5 like me right 8 or 7 to 7. Girl, me just come from work last night. I should have go this morning again and blood clot now, but I come here have an appointment. Make sure I tell him say me have an appointment this morning. Fuck you talking about, Chevy. Chevy sometime 3, 4, 5 days, me not see me yard. Me bag up, me close them 1 Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Drawers, rag, toothbrush, this, that, and it. Me have disinfectant where I have me a back with bleach. Cause anytime we going when we go, we have to bathe because we don't go to work dirty and stink. Me have 3, 4 pair of shoes now me car. Everybody who know me know that. Sometimes 3, 4, 5 days. Me no go on my yard, Chef. Me no sleep on my nice bed over there, so. And my bed comfortable and clean. And my bed clean. Toilet clean. Me no nasty dog shit, girl. What the fuck me I do with Jakes? Cause suck out your mother pussy, Chevy. Chevy got duck up in your done blood clot mother. You can't style me, girl. Take your blood clot moderator and go on with that. You think me live off a blood clot moderator benefits pussy and Rosa Chabo moderator? Go get the man in blood clot money, girl. I'm coming back for your blood clot later. Remember I tell you I have 2 minutes left with you. I'm coming back for your blood clot later, girl. I'm going to empty the clip on your pussy hole. You, girl. Your precious place. Dirty, girl. You know, go spam over our blood clot life, Jake's money. Go spam over that Jake's blood clot $9,000, girl. We want it. Them house want it, dog shit, girl. The house want it. The house want it $9,000 Chevy. You rob the man. You trick the man and put him blood clot PayPal to him blood clot cash TikTok account and rob every blood clot penny. You block the man gift as pussy. Come off of the man blood clot pole. You run blood off of the man pole, Chevy. Good girl upon this app want go fuck the man and take him man and give the man an opportunity. You are blood clot black. The man opportunities, Chevy. Chevy, do me a favor, step back. Chevy, step back and watch how much girl the man get. You can't help the man in no way because you're upon blood clot England benefits. And she says so she'll go dig up your blood clot in England benefits and talk. Your company come back a blood clot money. Me can company come say, yo, Jakes want $100,000 to make up for pay workman and people are go inbox and give me. Jakes, don't call me blood clot phone. No call me. I go block everybody. Don't call me, Jakes. Don't call me. Me not talk to you. Me no want. Me go lock off my blood clot phone when me done. Me no want talk to nobody. This pussy old girl. I go suck your mother, girl. Thief and Chevy go get the money. Lawyer later go suck on the mother. So I created the Amazon wish list, right? Because Jakes was supposed to get an apartment when I created it. I'm gonna come here and tear down Jakes. I tear down Jakes. My heart at ease. Me go back, go shower and wash me hair and wash out my head. You see it? So I created this list. I want to be transparent about this list. Alright? So see it. You see it? You can see it? This one say Jakes list, right? Me click on it. You see it? You can see it? So all of them they are for Jakes. Alright. Go back again. Go back again. We're going to go in a manage list. I'm going to click them three dots here, so. Right? I'm going to hit manage list, right? I have to read back here, right? Manage list, right? You see it? Alright, you look now. You see it? You look now. I want you to look. You look. Right, you see it? You see all of the information? Nothing is shipped to my house. Look. You see it? You see the shipping address to the man? You see the shipping address where everything that is bought for Jakes go? On the screen record, it coming. I know so you're not looking now. On the look. On the see everything we buy for the Amazon list, where it's sent to. On the see it? On the see which part of the things when you buy for the Amazon wish list go? On the see it? Nothing no come on my yard. Nothing off of this list no come on my yard. Looking now. On the look. On the see the address. Go back up again. Show on the say Jake name. Jake's list. Right? On the see it? Alright. On have to pay for cost me today. On not cost me for free. Alright, we're gonna go back to the front page again. Right? We're going to go in at the 3 dot again. Look. We're going to go back in at the 3 dot. See the 3 dot there? You see unpurchased? You see purchase? You see all. You see it? I school with it today. I teach you something. When you look now, when you see unpurchased, when you see purchase, when you see all. Look here, I want thing with this old foot here, you see? This is a 75-year-old Jake's grandmother, 75-year-old. Me a 75-year-old now, as a Chevy said. Jake's grandmother, me no thief. Watch me. I put on back my spectacle. Me a Jake's grandmother. Wanna look? Wanna see it? Alright. So now we are see unpurchased stuff. Click off for unpurchased stuff. All of them that you see is unpurchased. You see all of them there? Those mark unpurchased. Okay? Remember me showing you now. Unpurchased, right? Alright. We're going to go back to the 3 dot again, guys. Watch me. We're going back to the 3 dot. Rascal, watch you now. Hold on. 3 dot. 3 dot. Right? 3 dot. We're going to go in a purchase goods now. Look. I'm going to exit off again. Hold on. I have to try to do everything backward. Alright. Look, everything I want to see here so now is purchased. Do not see it? And not shipped to my house. Look. Everything here so is purchased. Look. Want to see it? Everything want to see there so is purchased. Everything want to see there so is purchased. See how them buy a toaster. You see it? Everything want to see there so I put vitamin for the panny for the man. Want to see it? Iron board purchase. Iron purchase. Want to see it? Blender purchase. Pillar purchase. On the seat. All of the pajama set for Jakes. I put on his socks. Purchase. On the seat. Socks purchase. On the seat. T-shirt purchase. On the seat. Bedside slippers purchase. And not even going to fit him. Come, I don't know the same foot look. On the seat. I no can't blood clot cost me today. Come, look. On the seat. All of them the purchase. You see it? On the seat. Go back down again. Everything when you see purchase. On the seat. On the seat. All of them the purchase. So all who said the list they not go buy. All of them they have all knife set buy. Rose, Jakes get 2 nice pot set. And knife set. Yo girl, stop calling me now me on my live. Stop calling me on my live. Look, you see it? Pot set. You see it? On the look. All who say nothing they not go buy off of the list. So no get fuck. Look, you so much towel set by. Look, on the seat. On the look, you know. Make sure you not screen record with me. This is Jake's wish list. On the seat. Look. I'll tell you blush and punch and I put on. On the seat. All of them the purchase. On the seat. Shower curtain. You see it? Mat. You see it? On the seat? Bad-minded, dirty people where says, alright, that's at the end of the list. Look again, you know. This is all purchase list. For all of the blood clot, drunk with them over them live, I say, everything shipped to my yard. Me no want nothing, pussy. Me no want a thing. Wanna come here. Look. Sheet set. Go back down the line. You see this? This is some wall plaque. You see it? Me buy this off in bedroom. You see it? Bedroom wall picture. Me buy it, me put it on the film. Film can look and know himself. If he believe in himself. You see it? Everything I me put it together. All of these are purchase items. Me could go back up at the top. You see where it say? It says purchased. Wanna take a picture of it, you know? It says purchased. You see it? Everything they so buy. Nothing is shipped to me. Hold on, me I go show you the shipping address. Drunk crow, where you have to buy your live, I say, me send the things to my yard. Come here. So guess what now? We're going to go up on the tree, look at that. Hold on there, tree that. Then, we're going to go up on manage list. Where they again, this? Alright. Check out the information again when everything shipped to girl. Come here. You see which part everything is shipped to? Nothing no come here to me yard. You see it? Everything not no come here to me yard. You understand what I say? So when you over there, you say, me thief people money. And me thief every cent me get for Jakes get it. Ask him. Every cent me get for Jakes get it. Me not thief Jakes money. Me can't die a road for a man. And stop saying me a worry about who did that. Jakes come like my son, girl. Understand what I say? Everything on the Amazon wish list. Ship to Florida for the man. And me a close off the Amazon wish list this week. What buy already buy? Wanna buy? Even to as a matter of fact, today me a close it up. You will me upset anybody want get anything, wanna contribute to him. But me a close the list today. When me done, me a close the list. You understand me? Everything where you see money, people buy. You understand what I say? Yeah. You can't style me. I am being transparent as ever. As ever. I am being transparent. Me never thief none of Jake's money yet. If that the man they said to me, say Sassy or Paula, sometimes he say Sassy P or Sassy Paula, he say Sassy Paula. Me want some help for such and such a. Me say what you want. Me come right here and come ask for it. And everything me get me screenshot and me send it to Mini Sexy 45. Ask Mini. Cause you know Mini and he my friend. And everything me send off, me send it to Mini. I'm so transparent I am. Cause me very rank. Me very rank. Tell me some me broke. Tell me some me can't pay my bills. And guess what happened? You could have got dig to tell you no dig, so tell you no can't dig there. Me no have nothing for you to find out what me can't tell you no. You can't bring me down. That is why me not like people. Thank you, Tina. Me not really like people. Me live a selfish life. Nobody no come on my yard. Nobody, I mean, I got people yard. Trust me. Who know me, know me. Me not deal with people, me not like people, period. Me say Jake expand this up. I see what go on with Rose and him guy, and he hurt me. And me say, yo, me just say, yo, somebody can't find Jakes, man, find Jakes, no, ray. I so come because advocate for the youth. And even this morning, me come out so blood clot happy, me no know my mind there. So upset, me no know my mind there yet. Me no know my mind there yet. You get what me say? You try to find the receipt, them must in a trash. Hold on. Suck your mother. Me clear my trash. Every money when me collect. 3 times I come as 2 times I come as and collect money. 3 times. Yesterday. Last week one day I collect 48,000. The day when the man them a cast the foot, remember when people them do the foundation, me collect and me send off $90,000 to the man. And any one of you say more than that, me collect go suck on a mother. Whether boy or girl, man or old woman or young people go suck on a mother. And when me collect, me send go get the man. And you can't stop it. And if all when me done and me come off and me say take me for moderator for him page. And if me still write so one said Team Jakes, you can't tap it. Me gonna die in our feelings. Dead in our feelings. Everybody wants somebody in corner. Everybody the amount of people in my inbox I beg me do, please don't do it. The amount of blood clot people in my inbox I beg me, please don't do it. Give him a chance. Do it, don't do it, no do it. Go suck on a mother. You can't chat to me? Where the fuck you come from? Check WhatsApp. Okay, all right, look. Remember the day when I'm do the decking? When I'm do the decking, I this me send to the man, you see it? The day when lawyer collect the money, thank you. The day when lawyer collect the money, I this go to the man, you see it? Every money we go to the man. We can't count it for. The first day me collect $48,000, make a see if you had the receipt, goodie. Me collect 48,000. Many of you send it to me there. When me come here, so the man say me go by apartment and he want a ring light and he want this and that. People chump up money and me send 48,000 to give the man. In a half an hour or less, me collect $48,000 yesterday. Now there's another one. When me did send the first money for 48,000. There's another receipt. I don't know if you have it. I must delete it because the memory for my blood clot phone done. Me tell you buy a memory and it tell me say done. Me not no memory. See it? See what I tell me say? Me out of memory. You see it? Me tell you buy space. Too much picture and too much this and that in my phone. I don't see it, me never have space for my phone. So no go on about in a business. Jakes will never trust uno. So no stop tell me a thief, Jakes. I demand not trust uno. You don't know thief. People inbox me about uno, you know. I say my girls, not be careful of such and such as somebody not do no business with them. So you go along. You go along with your business. See, this is the first money me send to him, people. Remember when me come? This is the first money me send to the man. Any money me collect for the man, me send to the man. And me can come here and beg money. And get it and send it again. If the man I work right now upon the house, I want a pay bill makeup. And me come here Friday and say, yo, the man want to look at makeup. If me decide to continue do what me I do, the man I get it. And me not take $1. Transparent, motivational. So I don't know what I'm to uno. Leave the youth alone. Bumbo clot, leave the youth alone. If If me do so, if me do something and talk about the kids and you not like it, you and the man discuss it, but you come on yourself. The man did tell if you come talk about it and cuss. You cuss and get yourself in trouble, you know, man. You get yourself in shit. All you can give the man a look of fuck talk pan, you know, and give the man empty promises, you know, girl. That's all you can. Fuck talk and empty promises. The house one bill, the money needed. Comfort to the blood clot money, that we are talking about. And that we need, the money. We want the fucking money for the house. You see how long me a blood clot see if you come here and I tell people say a lie? The money needed for the house. And that's all right, that's how we there. Without the money, you're gone. Without the money, you out. In the trash bin. Pussy. Go on with it. We'll take what loses and move on. Go on with the blood clot money, girl. Go on with the money. Take it. We'll take what loses and move on. Pussy. The house still have a bill. The damn thief, yeah. Fucking thief. Thief! But you say, Rose, me blame you, no, Rose. Because long time I tell you, no, Rose, if you teach you the game. I tell you a long time, teach you the game. Teach you how to take off his money. That's all you did have to do when you not chat to him. Teach you the game. Rose, that's all I tell you. I tell you a long time, teach you the game. We can build him back stronger, bigger and stronger. Go on with that. Go on with that, the girl. But Rose, I say a long time, I should teach you the game. How to take off his money. If I get somebody to take off his money and get a percentage. How him go about this. But you left the youth alone there for blood clot struggle by himself and exchange and dip up in him blood clot money. Me never dip up in him money. Me never cash out $1 for him yet, sister. Never. Me go come back for him. Teach you the game, Rose. Regardless of what, teach him the game. Teach him how to collect him money. Teach him how to this. Teach him the fucking game. That's all I'm saying. You don't have to do with him. You don't have to chat to him, Rose. Teach him the game. How to get him money. He must go over there so to the east or to the west and do so and do so and do so. Teach him the game. But you left him yourself for drown and thiefing girl for thiefing money. Bumbuckler thiefing girl. See how long everybody want about that girl? Yeah? What girl want me to say? Upset my spirit. The company come tell life, you know, girl, and say, yo, you not have no money for the man. Come here, cover for the man, and I cover for you. But you see, when you come and you disrespect me this morning, the worst thing you could ever do. You should never do that. You should never do that. Or fix your face. Your face won't fix. Your Botox not done good. Your Botox look like dumpling. Your Botox look like blood clot dumpling. Me know so you lose the weight and your face drop down like Fimica. To me lose my cheeks them high up so. But to me lose the weight and my face get straight. Yes, so come down so. You see it? Like where Rose say like 2 pony jar. So. Now me no want no Botox in my face. Me not do no surgery for care about my face so. Cause then me I go look weird. You know see it? So my face I go ever stay so. Cause me not do so. And then me look like blood clot patu. No. I mean I go put Botox on my face and then look like a Chevy. Never. Chevy your face stay bad. Go do a girl. You see the money where you have for the man, go fix your face. Fix your face. Me see I want look a piece of belly down there so to want fix. And you see the piece of fat under your leg there so go fix it too. Take your money and go do what you want. Go fix yourself. We care. The man who taking loses. Go on with the money. Fix your blood clot self. Gonna style people. What go fix your blood clot face? Me are 57. You say me are 75. Spin it around. Me are 57. Me born June 20th, 1968. Pussy. Now Gemini to the world. June 20th, me born.